Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy tech insights and helpful tips, please subscribe. Let's begin.
Unlocking the full potential of Night City often means bending the rules, and in Cyberpunk 2077, that means diving into console commands. Unlike many PC titles, Cyberpunk 2077 doesn't feature a built-in developer console ready to go out of the box. To access this powerful functionality, you'll need to install a crucial third-party modification known as Cyber Engine Tweaks, or CET. This mod is the gateway to spawning items, tweaking stats, manipulating quests, and generally customizing your gameplay experience in ways the base game simply doesn't allow. The first step is to ensure you have the PC version of Cyberpunk 2077, as console commands are exclusive to the PC platform, and a reliable unzipping tool like 7-zip or WinRAR. Head over to the official Cyber Engine Tweaks GitHub page or its Nexus Mods page, which are the most reliable sources for downloading the latest version. Always ensure you're downloading from a trusted source to avoid any security risks. Once downloaded, you'll receive a compressed archive file. Extract the contents of this archive directly into your Cyberpunk 2077 installation folder, specifically into the bin/x64 directory. This is critical. Placing the files anywhere else will prevent the mod from loading correctly. After extraction, you should see files like dinput8.dll, a plugins folder, and a scripts folder appear alongside your Cyberpunk 2077.exe file within that bin/x64 directory. Double-check this placement before proceeding. With Cyber Engine Tweaks installed, launch Cyberpunk 2077. The very first time you launch the game after installing CET, a small overlay will appear, prompting you to bind a key to open the console. The default suggestion is usually the tilde symbol key, common for consoles in other games, or F4. Choose a key that's convenient for you and confirm the binding. Once you're in-game, you can press your chosen key to open the console overlay. This overlay will feature an input field where you can type your commands. The console supports various types of commands, but some of the most common include manipulating your inventory and player stats. For instance, to add an item, you'd typically use a command like Game.AddToInventory, items.itemName, quantity, replacing items.itemName with the actual item ID and quantity, with how many you want. Similarly, Game.GivePlayerMoney, amount, will instantly add eddies to your account. To modify player attributes, commands such as game.setPlayerHealthValue or game.setPlayerMaxHealthValue can directly adjust V's health pool, while game.GivePlayerXP value or game.GivePlayerStreetCred value can boost your progression. The console also features tab completion, which is incredibly helpful for discovering commands and item IDs as you type, and a command history, allowing you to cycle through previously entered commands using the up and down arrow keys. It's crucial to exercise caution when using console commands. While they offer immense power and flexibility, they can potentially break game progression, corrupt save files, or disable achievements. Always back up your save files before experimenting with commands, especially if you're venturing into more complex modifications. Finding specific item IDs, quest IDs, or advanced commands often requires consulting community resources. Websites like Nexus Mods, the Cyberpunk 2077 wiki, or dedicated forums are excellent places to discover comprehensive lists of usable commands and item identifiers that are compatible with CET. Should you encounter issues, such as the console not opening or CET not loading, common troubleshooting steps include verifying file placement, checking for game updates that might have broken CET compatibility, and waiting for a CET update, or ensuring your antivirus isn't quarantining any of the mods files. Remember, game developers don't officially support console commands, so any issues arising from their use are your responsibility to resolve. Experiment responsibly, have fun customizing your Night City experience, and always be mindful of potential consequences. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more Cyberpunk 2077 tips and tricks.